Doc on the Run. We help injured runners run.
Welcome to the Runner's Heel Pain course. My name is Dr. Christopher Segler, and I'll be leading you through the course. First and foremost, I want to say thank you for choosing this course to help you understand runner's heel pain. We put a lot of work into building this course for you, and I think you're going to find it helpful. So here's what this course is going to teach you. How you can tell the difference between the various forms of runner's heel pain so you can actually understand what is causing the problem. By the end of the course, you'll be able to effectively treat runner's heel pain so that you can get better and keep running. The best way to go through this course is to start at the beginning and view every lecture in sequence. While doing so, you should follow the on-screen instructions that will help you determine what is going on with your foot and how you can get better as quickly as possible. This course is arranged in a series of video lectures that is designed to remove all the medical mystery around the various forms of runner's heel pain. Now, to help you with this, I actually created some 3D anatomic animations that will help you understand exactly how doctors diagnose runner's heel pain so you can do the same thing. So make sure you learn which story fits with which condition, and then make sure you view the diagnosis section where we show you how doctors press on certain structures to tell the difference between different conditions. Then, check out the treatment sections to see how you can get better as fast as possible. The best way to use this course is to just simply start at the beginning and go through all of the lectures. However, we know that a lot of runners are absolutely convinced that they have one specific condition, like plantar fasciitis, and they just want to figure out what they can do to treat that and continue to run. In that case, those runners may choose to skip some of the other lessons and go straight to the treatment section. It's okay if you do this. After all, it is your course. You can use it in its entirety or you can just use part of it. However, there's a risk that you might have a different condition that's not plantar fasciitis, and then you may waste some time trying to treat the wrong condition. Regardless of the approach you take, you're going to learn a great deal about runner's heel pain, as well as the strategies that will help you continue to run and decrease your risk of injury when training. Thanks again for choosing the runner's heel pain course. Now let's get to it.
Doc on the Run. We help injured runners run.